Hook these days is no longer just about what you say in the beginning of your video, but you can also use this tool that I'm about to show you to hook your viewers to your videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add text behind you in your video, and we're going to be doing that on Capcut. So watch to the end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's head to Capcut. So first of all, open up your Capcut, then add the video that you already filmed. So I'm going to be using this first video. So this is my video. Now I'm just going to add text, the text that I want to be behind the video. I'm just going to add other features to the text before I can start adding it behind my video. I'm just going to style it and we continue. So I'm done adding my text and I already added the animation and everything. Let me play the video to show you guys. So this is the text. So now I'm going to show you how to add it behind your video. So first of all, duplicate your main video. Then click on duplicate. When you are done duplicating it, remove the background. We'll use this auto remover. You can use custom remover or other ones, but I'm going to use this auto remover for the sake of this video. You guys know it's pro, so if you want to learn how to use pro for free on your CapCut, the video is on my channel. I'm just going to link it somewhere in this video or in the description box, so you can go there to watch it. So I'm just going to remove the background. Now I've removed the background. I'm just going to overlay this one that I removed the background. Let's do overlay. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one and remove the background, then overlay it by clicking on overlay. And this is it. I'm just going to drag it under my video to fit the main video. Okay, so and now you cannot see the one I overlaid because it's behind the main video. So now we are just going to go to layer. So we're going to go to layers, click on layers, then move that overlaid video in front of the text here. So this is it. So our overlaid video, the one that we cut out the background, is now in front of the text. So let me play it and show you guys how it is. So you guys can see how it is now. Now my text is behind me in this video. So let's add a little twist to it. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to use another video for this one. I'm going to add this first video that I was walking past the camera, right? So let me use this one for the purpose of this tutorial. So now I'm just going to add text and do everything that we did in the first one. So I'm just going to do it and get back to you guys. So the next thing we are going to do now is to duplicate the original video again, then overlay it. Let's duplicate, then I'll turn it to overlay. This one will be the second overlay. I'll now drag it under the video. So now you click on the video and go to layers. Click on layers. When you click on layers, you see that the other overlay that we dragged to the front moved to the back again. So we're going to drag that first overlay back to the front, in front of the text, right? That first overlay is the one that removed the background. So this second overlay, now I'm going to drag it to the front of everything. Okay, so let me move this video. So this is how our video is now. The second overlay is in the front of, is the first layer, then the second one that we remove the background is the second layer, and then the text. So I'm just going to, the next thing I'm going to do now is to add mask. Click on this mask, click on horizontal, then this mask thing will show. Then you will drag it, wait, I'm supposed to drag it to this side. Touching this white thing will help it create a shadow to make it more real. So now I'm just going to drag that yellow line to the back for the text to disappear. Then now I'm going to create a keyframe. Click on keyframe and it will create a keyframe. So now I'll move this thing a bit, then I will shift my mask distinct line. Then I'll move my video a bit again and shift the mask line. So I'm just going to keep repeating this until I'm done with the video. So this is it, I'm done now. So let's play the video. You see how the thing is going to play out. So just watch. So you see how the thing is appearing as I'm moving. So this is how you create it. Like you add text like behind you while you are maybe walking through the screen. So with this tweak, you can make your videos more interesting and hook your viewers to your videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you gained value from this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments down in the comment section. If there's any other thing that you want me to show you how to do it on Capcut, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.